stop recording, start recording. This is DJI microphone and I was using so many connectors and receivers and cables. This is a tracker and I used it with the gimbal, but I got this thing today. This is a small receiver. We're gonna test the voice with this receiver. Open it, it looks great. It has Type-C. You can plug in with an iPhone like this, but this one is a lightning cable. I cannot. I will use it with 15 Pro Max. For this one, I had a cable that I could use with the tracker, but tracker has a big cable, and if I use with the tracker, I need to hold the tracker as well. But I don't want to use the tracker because of this cable and a lot of stuff mess around. I'll use this DJI with this thing and let's test. First, how to pair. Just turn on your microphone and turn on this receiver as well. Another cool feature is you can control your recording using DJI. For example, I'm recording right now and you can see recording has started. I can start and stop this recording using my DJI microphone. If I press this button, the recording has been stopped. If I press this button again, the recording will start again. So now you got a remote control as well. It's not just you can use DJI to record your sound, but you can start and stop recording using only this pairing button. Press only once. That's it. Stop recording, start recording. Cool, right? Not only your phone, but you can use this receiver with your laptop as well if your laptop has Type-C. I'm using M5 and testing on M5, but you can have any laptop, no matter it's Windows PC or MacBook or any other Linux device I never use. Just unplug. Bring your receiver and plug it here. Alright. Here you see a notification that says allow DJI. Press allow. Now you see the light is blinking. Turn on your DJI now. Alright, let's see. They are paired now. It's okay. I can have any screen recorder or anything. Let me open some screen recorders and see how it works. I'm mostly using Focusy for screen recording. Review is in the description. I can go to choose here system audio and MacBook audio. Here I can see wireless mic. And if I record something now, it will record from my DJI. Let's have a test. Full screen recording. This is DJI connected. Press on record button. Hello, we are testing this sound with the receiver and DJI microphone using a laptop. And the recording. Hello, we are testing this sound with the receiver and DJI microphone using a laptop. That's nice. You can use it there. Alright, the sound you are hearing right now is coming from DJI Mac Mini, and I'm using that DJI receiver with this mobile phone. If you want to use this receiver, you can use with any of the DJI microphone, no matter you're using the first generation, second one, third one, or with two transmitters or one transmitter. In my room there is no noise, but if you are having these conversations outside in a street, then you can have noise cancellation as well. So what's the price? The price of this DJI receiver is just $15, and it's compatible. It's very convenient. You don't need to use cables and also like trackers and other stuff. Just plug and play and it can be connected with any DJI microphone. So if you want to have good quality sound, then you can clip this one near to your mouth, not far away like this. I have this magnet. I can bring it here. That's it. And I can have like hands-free and talk. Yeah, if you want to get, you can get yourself. I'm not sponsored by DJI. You can just simply go to Amazon or Shopify, wherever you find DJI products. It was just a short review to let you know how it works. Bye.